Fastest net worth builders don't always wake up every month excited to invest. Instead, they automate so they don't have to think about it. Because when you invest automatically, it becomes a non-negotiable, in which case you're paying your future self the same way you pay your rent or utilities. Keep in mind that this approach also removes a lot of emotion because it involves investing when the market is up, when it's down, and when things feel boring. Now, if you're new to all of this, your biggest question might be, where do I start and who do I work with? And that's where Advisor.com comes in. Advisor.com connects thoughtful investors with fiduciary financial advisors, meaning the advisors you're matched with are required to act in your best financial interests. You'll start with a short matching quiz, and based on your goals, preference, and what you're looking for, they'll match you with up to 3 advisors who may be a good fit. All professionals in their network specify the types of clients they work with, which means the matching process is intentional and not random. Every advisor on the platform is also vetted, so you can feel confident that you're being connected with someone who will take your financial goals seriously. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of getting started, click the link in my description to take the quiz and find an advisor that fits you.